Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use Jungle Scout today. It's a great tool. I've been using it for the last 3 years, and it shows me when I find a product on Amazon, it shows me the monthly revenue and also the daily sales. It shows me my competitors. So it's a good tool to see if I should go forward with a product during my product research. It's really essential if you want to go forward with an Amazon business, just like you have other tools at work. And if you're like a plumber or work in an office, you have things that you use. This is essential. So I'll show you how to use it. Right, so I've typed in a generic product, so tea strainer, and then you just press enter, and then we've got the list here of different tea strainers. I wouldn't recommend that as a product to launch. Seems pretty competitive or not much revenue. So I'm just going to check with Jungle Scout extension. It just goes on to Chrome, and it takes a little while for the data to download. But you can already see here, you've got the product name, the ASIN, which is like the barcode, the brand name, the price. This one's doing lots of sales, so it's doing 938 sales a month. It's not always 100% accurate, Jungle Scout, but it's pretty close. You've got 39 sales a day, which is great. The revenue, because it's quite a low price, the revenue is 3,000 a month, and it was launched back in 2014. It's only got 51 reviews, which is very good. And then if you scroll, you can see the ratings, the fees. So you could work out your fees approximately, the rank and the category it's in. Let's see another one. We can do higher. This one's making quite a lot. It's got a lot of reviews. So you can see it's a high demand on the opportunity score here and high competition. So it wouldn't be personally a niche that I would get into. But it's not too high. Well, 3,000 reviews, but yeah, they're making 12,000 a month on a tea strainer. They've been going since 2016. But look, someone here from 2020, 31 sales a day, 8,000 per month. They've got 500 reviews, so that's pretty good. And then someone here's got less reviews, so 296, 18 sales a day. And they're definitely a Amazon seller because they put the brand name as not applicable. So yeah, 51 reviews, 39 a day. I don't know if that's a big brand, Cafe Olé. Only 33 sales. They're doing 6 a day, 2,000 a month, so not bad. So yeah, it's not something I would go into, but it just to show you how to use the tool and how to analyze the data on Jungle Scout.